Hello everybody and welcome to today's healing session. Today's healing session, as you all are seeing it, is with Goddess Lakshmi. With Goddess Lakshmi healing, we invite abundance in all aspects of our life. Abundance is not just restricted to money, profession and career. Many people, when I ask them how abundant do you feel in your life, their answer is, oh, my job is like this or my business is like this. But job, career and finances are not the only aspects of life which are interrelated. Now you will say, of course we need money for living. Your money or your financial abundance depends on how abundant you are living your life in other areas. For example, if you're truly abundant when you are doing well at business or your job or your career, you are doing amazing in your personal life, which means your relationships are fulfilling, full of trust and gratitude. Your health is great, which means you are having a healthy life. Now health refers to not just your physical health but also your emotional and your mental health. And all areas of your life are in equilibrium. Your physical, mental and spiritual life is in abundance. Only then you will say your life is in abundance. It also extends to all areas, as I said, health, career or your finances, as well as your relationships, which include both your personal, your close relationships including your family, and also other relationships which include your professional work, your clients or your co-workers, all of this, your both internal, external, all kinds of relationships. So in today's healing, we are going to help you connect to your abundance. Now, abundance is a state of mind, always remember. And when we look at energy science, we say that your Manipur chakra or the solar plexus energy center, which is the energy center at your stomach or abdomen, is the place which holds keys to your abundance in all aspects of life. So with this healing, I'm just going to extend some healing for abundance in all aspects of your life. So think of something you wish to achieve abundance with. Maybe you're looking for a better health, maybe you're looking for a better career or profession, maybe you're looking for your business to do better, maybe you're looking at breakthrough in these areas. Maybe you're looking at your relationships doing better, or you are looking for a new house, or you are looking to start a new business, or you decided on having a better mental health, better physical health, whatever it is. We are going to look at that. If you hear in the background, I'm also playing the Shreem mantra of Mother Goddess Lakshmi. And today, with this healing, you can achieve, definitely you can look at achieving a shift within you, which will help you create more breakthroughs in your abundance. So take a deep breath, sit in a comfortable position. You could sit in a chair or on your sofa set or on the ground, or you could be sitting on your bed. Doesn't matter. Just keep your spine straight, your shoulders relaxed, your hands and feet relaxed, and you can simply say, I'm now willing to receive this abundance healing at this moment. You could focus on the picture and imagine your life be filled with this kind of abundance. Those coins are the indicator of the abundance in your life. And imagine all these coins now, gold coins in your aura. Whatever area of your life you are looking for creating that positive shift, that big shift, imagine it is already fulfilled. Imagine that area is already fulfilled. You could even affirm that I am now abundant in my, and you can mention the area of your life where you are looking for a breakthrough. Or you could even use personalized affirmations like, thank you God, Goddess Lakshmi, thank you universe for giving me that promotion or giving me that raise, or you can even say thank you God, thank you Goddess Lakshmi for that my monthly income has more than doubled. Or you could also say thank you Goddess Lakshmi for giving me abundance in my health, which includes your health getting better. You can also say thank you that my relationships, my personal as well as family relationships are blossoming, are blooming and are extremely abundant. Now, abundance here refers to the quality of relationships you have, the kind of trust and gratitude you have, whether it is for your spouse, whether it is for your children, whether it is for your parents, whether it is for your siblings or any close relationship. Also, if any one of you have not received checks from your clients, if any one of you is yet to receive any kind of monetary thing, you can simply imagine that Goddess Lakshmi is extending that check to you. It is dropping in your account and you are getting that money. Please remember, intentions are very powerful and energy healing works on intention. And as you do that, imagine your wish is already fulfilled, and you can end this healing session by saying, thank you, I am receiving. Thank you, I choose to receive. Thank you, I am in gratitude of all that I have received. And imagine all of that being received. And once you receive all of that, allow that energy to integrate, which means imagine that energy in your body, how you feel after receiving that checks or receiving those promotions or whatever you asked for. Please know that law of attraction is always working and you will receive what you choose to receive. And you can finally exhale through your nose. Gently open your eyes and receive this healing. You can receive this healing anytime, whenever you're watching this video. If you're watching it right now, if you're watching it later, if you're watching it 2 days later, 10 days later, 20 days later, you will still receive it. And I'm sending you lots and lots of love and light. Lots of blessings for your abundance. This is Ashwini Chube and thank you for watching. Lots of love. Bye.